Hi guys! So ito naman yung version na chicken macaroni salad. So meron akong itong napakuluan ko na elbow macaroni, maliliit. And then ito na yung chicken na rin pinagpakuluan, hinimay na maliliit. And then optional, pasas, carrots, sibuyas, bell pepper, cheese, and yung mayonnaise. So I think ko lang yung mayonnaise, so mag-add na lang kami. And you can add some black pepper and salt. And that's it. So let's start it. Haluin mo lang din. Cheese. And yung chicken. And that's it. Halo-halo lang. So ayan guys, kulang yung mayonnaise. Mag-add ako ng mayonnaise ulit. So ayan na yung itsura niya. So, diba? Kulang pa siya. Dadagdag